Kaspa is about to go parabolic. Emergency. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price, in the rank, and in the market cap. Also, we will see the hash rate because since yesterday we saw more computational power into the Kaspa network. Then we will see the top 10 addresses and the categories. And last, we're gonna close the video with the technical side of Kaspa and also the technical side of Bitcoin, and we will speak about as the last part about this current situation that Kaspa is studying, that is pumping, and it follows the Bitcoin pump and how high this pump can go and what I'm expecting. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you are a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. And guys, don't forget to check my Patreon, and actually if you would like to become a WealthNet member, you can join right now via monthly or via lifetime if you are looking for further more benefits. Because guys, if you don't want to miss the next Kaspa dip, as you can clearly see, we always bought the bottom in Kaspa, 0.015 cents, second signal at 2 cents, third signal with average price at 0.035 cents, and fourth signal before a couple of days at 0.041 cents. I gave all of these signals in WealthNet, so guys, join in WealthNet and you will learn when elite investors buy the bottom. It's highly recommended, especially if you are Kaspa investor. You're gonna be in the right community. And without losing more time, let's start our video with the Kaspa update. What happened since yesterday in the price. Guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa is up 5.6% up. Right now, Kaspa is starting at 0.052 cents, and that's bullish. I saw some people since yesterday are complaining about Kaspa didn't pump as Bitcoin or as other cryptos. Guys, the money that are flowing right now in the space, and we see Bitcoin in that crazy $34,000 area are doing circles. Okay, you can clearly see from time to time, like when Bitcoin will be stabilized, you can clearly see an incredible rally for Kaspa. And don't forget that Kaspa is still in the war fad news, okay, because war is still existed in Israel, and some people still fear to go and invest in Kaspa. Okay, we lost a couple investors. Paper hand was the biggest majority of the investors, but also we lost a couple investors because they had different approach for the war rather than devs. Okay, but don't forget that we have people that right now they were willing to go and invest in Kaspa. They saw the war, they did a correlation within the devs from Israel and Kaspa, and right now they have some fear. These guys actually will invest in Kaspa when Kaspa will be at 6 cents and 7 cents, and everyone will speak about. This current Kaspa pump is very good because we're gonna fade away from the Fed. Okay, this is actually a psychological thing when people will see that Kaspa has no correlation with the war, because in reality has no correlation. Kaspa has no nationality, has no country, has no team behind. It has only some devs that are working, and everyone can become Kaspa dev. Everyone in the world, no matter if you are Israeli, no matter if you are Canadian, European, Asian, you can become Kaspa dev. Okay, if you are willing to sit down and learn how to work and collab with a team. That's why we say that is open. Kaspa is open for everyone. Okay, everyone can participate and everyone can contribute into the Kaspa network. So the Fed is still here. That's why I will justify this current move that didn't happen as everyone was expected, like to follow the Bitcoin. But the pump, guys, is gonna be with delay, but it's gonna happen. Okay, and when it's gonna happen, when you're gonna see like Kaspa at 6 cents, I believe it's imminent. When you're gonna see Kaspa at 6 cents, guys, that's gonna be super bullish, and all the people who were sitting around and didn't invest in Kaspa will go all in after Kaspa surpass the 6 cents area, because they're gonna do the correlation that, okay, right now it's safe to invest. They're gonna actually believe at that point that Kaspa has no correlation with the Israel war. Anyway, leave the politics away from crypto, and let's focus right now in the market cap, because market cap is at 1.1 billion. And guys, I was warning you for days, buy under 1 billion market cap, because this is the last time that you see Kaspa under 1 billion market cap. I hope you did. Okay, I hope you did. That's why, guys, we educate you in WealthNet. All my people, all the members in WealthNet bought very large amounts under 1 billion. And that's why I'm very happy, because when Kaspa will be at 2 billion, all my guys in WealthNet will be very profitable, because we educate them perfectly. So you have still chances. Okay, don't say the train has gone and right now Kaspa is too expensive. You have chances to buy and accumulate Kaspa, because Kaspa under 2 billion is gonna be cheap. Okay, obviously not as cheap as it was at 500 billion, but guys, Kaspa always will rank up from a market cap side and also from a price. So buy now, because if you wait for later, the price will be even higher. So don't be greedy. If you lose the chance to buy very cheap Kaspa, don't say that, oh, the train has gone, because the train is here, and according to where Kaspa will go by 2025 and 2029, we are so early. So don't throw this opportunity away because you are greedy or because you believe that Kaspa right now is too expensive. Rank remains 45 because, guys, we saw all the other cryptos followed the Bitcoin. Kaspa didn't follow as it's supposed to follow. Okay, you can clearly see Near Protocol pumped 7.8, Arbitrum 9.6% up, Optimism 6.9, Kaspa is standing at 5.4, but as I told you, it's imminent to see Kaspa Parabolic, like 15% pump just in one day, 20% pump in one day. I can see that. Okay, and then Kaspa, you will see it under rank 40. I believe we will see, guys, anytime soon Kaspa close to 1.5 billion. Okay, very soon. Even with this current pump that's happening without any news like exchange listing, because if exchange listing will come, I can definitely see Kaspa like 2 billion or above. Okay, in the very short term. Okay, let's move into the hash rate, because, guys, hash rate is in a new 88. You can clearly see 56.75 petahash per second, new hash rate all-time high, and the current hash rate is actually the previous all-time high, 53.63. This was exactly the yesterday all-time high, the previous all-time high. Right now we are standing on this 53.56 petahash per second as the current hash rate that there is in the Kaspa network, and that's very bullish until the end days of November and early days of December. We will see even more increasement into the hash rate, because more ASICs will come into the Kaspa network and will plug in into the Kaspa network, and it will provide more computational power, something that's very bullish. Okay, we would like to see even more hash rate, more computational power, more miners to protect the network. That's going to be ideal to handle global adoption with the ultimate protection. And let's move straight into the categories, because as you can clearly see, for some suspicious reason, categories are red. Okay, it's supposed to be green, because right now Kaspa is one step away from new 88s. But it is what it is. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if this is updated well or something wrong happened. So we won't stick around too much with these categories. I'm gonna update you tomorrow. Okay, and let's go straight into the top addresses, because, guys, as you can clearly see, Mixi is in increasement as always. When Kaspa is very close to new 88, Mixi is loading a lot this wallet, and it happened exactly as I was expecting. I told you that Mixi will go straight to very low amount, like a deal 5 million in this Kaspa wallet balance, and then suddenly you will see, when Kaspa will be very close for new 88, you will see suddenly huge loading into this Mixi wallet, huge increasement in their Kaspa balance, and you will see from time to time Mixi the next coming days to become straight into the top one address. And when actually Kaspa will start reversing, you will see Mixi will start decreasing this Mixi wallet balance. And that's something that Mixi did for like 2 months. Okay, I see that by myself 2 months straight. So that's why I believe they do some swing trades. Okay, but obviously we don't have clear evidence for that. Anyway, KuCoin, guys, look, it's going very close to 800 million Kaspa coins, and they got KuCoin another wallet in another page, I believe 6 page here. So here is another KuCoin wallet. So KuCoin, guys, has above 800 million Kaspa coins. Impressive, okay? KuCoin, I believe, is about to be Aquaman, and if it's gonna be Aquaman and remain Aquaman until 2025, I can see, guys, KuCoin like billionaires, okay? KuCoin only from Kaspa will become billionaires, okay? Anyway, let's move into the technical side, and I will start actually first with the Bitcoin, because guys, look at this huge rally. And I told you, if Bitcoin will close and break above $32,000, I told you, you can go watch all my previous videos. I warned you for that if Bitcoin will surpass this $32,000 area and close the daily candle, that's gonna be even more bullish and gonna pump the Bitcoin price up to higher levels. And guys, we reached the $35,000, astonishing number. I tell you right now that Bitcoin can go up to $40,000. Okay, it can go up there. And for the people who tell me, Chris, has the bull run started? No, guys, I don't believe that bull run has started. I believe that we're gonna see a huge crash the next coming months. Something that, for example, if we pump at $40,000, this crash can retrace the Bitcoin price like in $30,000, $26,000, $28,000. I don't know how low we can go, but it's gonna be a significant crash, okay, a significant drop in the price of Bitcoin. Something that also will cause significant drop to the altcoins. But right now the situation is bullish. We have lots of euphoria, and since, guys, we are above this 200 daily moving average, I told you that this was very crucial resistance, and if we would close a daily candle above that, as it happened here, and we moved with a bull flag, as I warned you too, we will pump to the upside, okay? And guys, I'm very happy because the previous days, the previous weeks, I was so accurate with each move, either from Bitcoin or either from Kaspa. Okay, I was so accurate, and you can clearly see that because, guys, I gave signal in WealthNet. I gave signal at 0.041 cents. The guys that are in WealthNet know that exactly the bottom, 0.041 cents. The people who bought here are right now in astonishing profit. Even if you lose the trade, you can clearly see that the gains that you made from here is like 30% up. Crazy, okay? And always, as you can clearly see, always my philosophy is to try to find the bottom, because this is where I buy heavy, okay? I try to buy the bottom with heavy. And for those who know, for the OGs of the channel, as you know, I do dollar cost average every day in Kaspa, and when the price drop, I give signal in WealthNet. So if you can come up in WealthNet, especially if you are a Kaspa investor, I repeat that, I would be so happy to have you inside of the group. And guys, let's focus right now into the technical side of Kaspa, because you can clearly see after this incredible bounce that happened, after this war fad news that we experienced, Kaspa, it seems that has completely recovered, but it has not, okay? Still the war is in, still there is some fad. We are approximately 80% faded away from the fad, but we have some 20% fad emerging from nowhere. But it is what it is. Obviously, this takes time. We cannot overcome that overnight. Kaspa right now, as you can clearly see, is starting a step, just a step for new ATH. 2.5% for new ATHs. I believe today we're gonna reach that, especially if Bitcoin will remain above $34,000. And as I told you in my previous videos, the target is 0.05657 cents. I believe that Kaspa will do a rally like that. It's gonna stay there with a consolidation phase. If Bitcoin will surpass the $36,000, we can go up to 6 cents area. And if, guys, we will see something that I'm expecting to see, like an exchange listing, medium to high exchange listing, guys, I can see easy Kaspa at 7 cents or even at 0.075 cents. And in general, in the very short term, I can see, guys, like in the next coming months, Kaspa at 10 cents. We're gonna move with ups and downs here until we're gonna reach the 10 cents. 10 cents within 20 cents is imminent for me. It has to do with the exchanges that will list Kaspa, because one more exchange, reliable exchange according to Binance, and CoinMarketCap, Kaspa will be listed properly in CoinMarketCap. And that's something that people ignore, but this is very important. CoinMarketCap has very big amount of users. More people use CoinMarketCap rather than Kaspa, especially the Coinbase and Binance normies. So as you understand, when Kaspa will emerge in the top 45, top 44 or under top 40, especially with all of this spam that will happen after the exchange listing, guys, Kaspa will be noticed in the coin market cap, so people will see and say, oh, Kaspa, this is the Kaspa right now is in the coin market cap, is ranking up like crazy, it will kill Ethereum, and all of these FOMO phrases. And that's a reality that Kaspa right now isn't so accessible, okay? Someone can consider that the exchanges that Kaspa is right now are sketchy exchanges, and that's why maybe someone don't invest in Kaspa, okay? And obviously I speak for the inexperienced people, but when Kaspa will be in very famous exchanges and that people consider reliable, then we will see more people driving focus into Kaspa, and Kaspa will skyrocket like crazy. It's about to happen, a crazy FOMO in some phase within 20 cents, within 50 cents. At that area, I believe we will see astonishing FOMO, okay? Astonishing FOMO, something that will skyrocket the price even more higher, okay? Lots of hype will happen at that period. Anyway, that's what I would like to tell you today, guys. This is exactly what I believe and what I'm expecting as the next move. Also, for those who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa? Guys, the safest way to store your Kaspa is a cold storage, okay? Hands down, cold storage is the safest way to store your cryptos. Tangem Wallet is my preference. I believe Tangem Wallet is the best one, and with the Crypto Chris discount code, you will have 10% off. And nowadays, you're very lucky because, guys, we have the Kaspa wallet powered by Tangem. Is a limited edition Tangem wallet branded with Kaspa. So you will get your cards, but these cards are about to be branded with Kaspa. Ideal for Kaspa investor, Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, okay? Order now, use the Crypto Chris code, and you will have 10% off in these cards too. So it's gonna be very, very beneficial for your pocket. That's what I would like to tell you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see ya all in my next video. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.